Yeah, Matt, where are we heading today?
Today we're heading up to Berri to go check out the rising river. I might go for a bit of a canoe, go get a bit of a closer look, head up to Liebelt, do a bit of four-wheel driving, bit of dune buggying. I heard that's pretty sick, so that'd be pretty good to check out. I got the boys with us, got Jasmin behind the camera.
Today.
So you got Nick and Connor just over there. And I'm your host, Matt. Welcome to Outback Escape. Well, we got on the ferry, which is a good thing. We're just about to cast off. The river is so full. If you look, that table is underwater. The bank isn't a bank anymore. I've never seen the river this full before. It's awesome, actually. All right, so we just passed a quarantine bin because we're now heading up into the Riverland. Some of you might not know, but one of the rules of the Riverland is you can't bring any of your own fruit or veg in there. But that's not a bad thing, because the fruit and veg in the Riverland is some of the best that you'll ever have. It makes sense to not bring your own fruit and veg. All right, so we've made it to Berri. Tonight we're going to be staying at the Berri Riverside Holiday Park, and we're going to go see the sights, check out the games room, see what they got to offer, and probably cook up a bit of a feed tonight, I reckon.
That's pretty good. Sounds good to me. Right,
I'm gonna cook up a one-pot Thai green chicken curry and rice. We had a recipe, but I lost it and I don't remember it. Just gonna hope for the best, see what happens. Now, I haven't thought this through. Connor, do you reckon you can get that fire going for me? Awesome, thank you very much.
Oh.
Touch of oil in there.
Nice.
We're not cooking the chicken as such. Well, we are somewhat cooked through, so that when we start cooking it in with everything else, it doesn't give us salmonella, because that would suck. In hindsight, that's probably too much chicken. We'll do our best to make that cook. Some of you cooks out there might be saying you can't cut your veggies on the same chopping board and with the same knife as you did your meat. I don't care. We only have one chopping board and one knife, so that sounds like a you problem. Oh no. Oh no, it's all gone horribly wrong. It's alright, I can save this. Oh, we can't save this. This isn't, oh shit. Oh no.
oh, that's smelling good. It is.
If you could smell this, you'd be saying, that smells good. My onions are looking real soft. So it's time to put some of this curry mix in. It's butter chicken curry mix. And we're making a green chicken curry. It's not gonna work. I'm just gonna put like
Good glug.
a good glug in. Right. 200 ml of coconut milk, half of what is in here. Good half of this as well. Oh yeah. Alrighty, now we need the rice. Yep, that looks good.
It's a green bean curry.
Oh, where are the beans? We have beans and cauliflower.
A little bit of a hybrid curry we got going here.
Yeah, it's like a butter chicken Thai.
The green
curry.
part comes from the beans.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna chuck the lid on that bad boy and let her simmer for about an extended period of time until the rice looks cooked.
Whoa. Boy, she's looking good.
All right, so we'll give it a cheeky stir. I reckon we're done, eh?
It's looking pretty good to me.
Hey boys, do you want to come over here? Bring a plate. We'll serve it up and do a bit of a taste test. How much do you want?
Just give us a good amount, mate.
Just say when, mate.
Keep us coming.
Say when. All right, cheers.
Cheers,
boys.
I'll tell you what, she's pretty good.
Oh well,
Not half bad.
given the mess ups that we had.
You've done well there.
So we've headed down the river nice and early. We're going to go for a bit of an adventure around the river with Kim from Canoe Adventures. G'day Kim, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Yeah.
So where have you taken us today?
Oh, Garagara Creek bookie cliffs through a lot of wetlands. Normally we're stuck to the creeks. This time we can go out across the floodplains, under all the trees,
sweet.
wherever we want to go.
Just to give you guys an idea of how much that river has risen, Kim here just said there's normally about a 2 metre gap between the water level and the bottom of the bridge. So how often do you do this trip here?
Oh, we never anyone wants to,
Oh yeah,
but this is our standard sort of sunrise, sunset tour.
I can see why you do it.
How's the High River, like how has it affected the environment and the habitats around?
Oh, well look, it's fantastic for the environment. See all these red gums? Red gums don't grow in water because they can't have permanent wet feet. So this is all land here, normally. So all the red gums are getting a drink and they love that. They just need to get flooded every few years. It's just fantastic.
There's actually some pros to this actually happening.
Oh, absolutely. The environment needs it. It's absolutely essential.
So what we've got here is an Aboriginal canoe tree. The Aboriginals make a canoe out of the sap of the tree. The rest of the bark around that area dies off and it comes out in a perfect canoe shape. Aside from a few for ceremonious reasons, those bark or sap canoes haven't been made in around 100 years. How good is that?
I may have lost the group, so if I was 3 dumbasses on a canoe, where would I be? Oh, hang on, I hear some commotion in the bushes.
I think we're stuck. I feel like I'm going backwards, but you know, we're not going forward.
Yes.
Back on the road.
It was a good time. I enjoyed a bit of my own company.
What we got here, we found hundreds and hundreds of ants, all desperately trying to get to the last bit of dry land that they have while the water is rising. They're all just clambering around to try and stay above the water. We're just gonna pull up for a bit, have a cuppa, something like that, and get going again. Thanks heaps, Kim, for that. That was amazing.
No, great to have you guys
Yeah,
along.
no,
It's
cheers
good.
for that.
No, I appreciate it. It was beautiful.
Yeah, cheers to that.
So, where can other people find you if they want to come and do this with you?
Canoe Adventures Riverland. Just look online, you'll find us. It's all good.
Awesome. Make sure you check it out soon while the river's still rising. Get up here. Well, I reckon that just about wraps it up for today's episode. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out the socials as well to keep updated on what we're doing. And we'll see you in the next one.